As Toyota claims, it's worth the drive. Well, is it? Or is this just for the sake of saying it or promoting it? Or naming a car a Crown? Is that to claim that the car is the king of all? Yes, the Toyota Crown has too much to offer with a great power number. However, don't be misled by the respectable power numbers. The Crown's cabin is designed to be quiet and pleasant for its occupants without sacrificing speed or fuel economy. That being said, does it succeed where it's set out to? Would you prefer it over a Nissan Maxima? Well, here at Tech Addicts, you'll get the transparent details, so don't worry, and let's directly land on our video. Fundamental ideas underlying ongoing advancement, Toyota assembly line. In the field of production, the TPS home has achieved legendary status. The TPS, which functions as a sort of roof, is supported by two key conceptual pillars, just-in-time or JIT production and Jidoka. JIT production is the most well-known facet of the house and a cornerstone of contemporary manufacturing. It was pioneered by Taiichi Ohno. Over many years of trial and error, it has evolved alongside the TPS to increase productivity. To perfect their pull manufacturing and just-in-time ideas, it took Toyota almost 15 years. Manufacturing in the West didn't adopt the JIT approach until the late 1970s. The goal of the just-in-time approach to management is to ensure that the right materials and components are delivered to the right locations at the right times without any unnecessary stockpiling or waiting. According to Ohno, the best manufacturing circumstances occur when machines, facilities, and people work together to generate value without generating waste. As a result, he developed strategies for minimizing overlap and duplication across production lines and procedures. The just-in-time approach was developed as a direct result. When using a just-in-time production system, each step in the chain only generates the number of goods at the step after it needs. You can avoid making extras and instead produce only what customers will buy this way. It has been crucial in assisting businesses in reducing overproduction. Automation with a human touch, or Jidoka, as it is defined by Toyota, is a less well-known and more sophisticated idea. This behavior, indicative of a computer endowed with human intelligence, causes it to halt abruptly whenever it detects a departure from a predetermined norm. The idea has also been applied to manual processes where workers can pull a cord to halt production if they see something is wrong. By eradicating the origins of problems, they can embed quality into every step of production. As a result, issues are contained before they may spread to other parts of the business or worse, affect the client. Toyota describes every procedure, whether performed by humans or machines, as enabled or powered because of its ability to recognize abnormal circumstances and halt operations without manual intervention. It also brings issues to light, which leads to constant development. Jidoka can be defined as any method used to identify and fix production flaws rather than carrying on regardless of how bad they are. Having a machine automatically shut down when an issue emerges allows a single person to oversee and manage multiple machines at once, hence increasing output. Talking about the new 2023 Toyota Crown, the Crown has been around since the original Toyo Pet Crown was released in 1955, although the Crown moniker hasn't been used in the North American market since 1972. Despite its nearly coupe-like, fastback shape, Toyota marketing manager Joe Moses insists that the all-new 2023 Crown, now in its 16th generation, is unabashedly a sedan. It will replace the Big Avalon in the company's domestic range. The Crown is an odd duck since its length, 196.1 inches, is almost identical to that of the Avalon, which was 196 inches, but its roofline at 203 inches is 4 inches higher. The Crown's trunk lid wraps around the sides, creating a rather spacious space despite the car's narrow rear deck. Still, the Crown would be better served as a hatchback. You could probably fool someone at 40 yards by giving it a crease in the bodywork, a spoiler, and a somewhat more pronounced bumper. The Chrysler 300, Kia Stinger, and Nissan Maxima are all competitors in the large sedan market, but all three are slated to be phased out within the next few years, leaving little room for the Crown to grow. All three trim versions, the XLE, Limited, and Platinum, use an all-wheel drive hybrid drivetrain as standard equipment. Is it appropriate to spend money on the 2023 Toyota Crown? The Crown XLE starting price of $39,950 is significantly greater than that of its rivals. When similarly equipped, the other options can reach the same maximum cost. In addition, the Crown is the only group to use a hybrid powertrain, which results in dramatically improved fuel economy. The $45,550 starting price of the limited trim level represents a sweet spot between features and cost. However, the more expensive Platinum trim level with its hybrid max powertrain offers the most exciting driving experience. Coming to its rival Nissan Maxima, well, the strong lines that sweep from the 2022 Maxima's headlights over the fenders and back to the rear doors are immediately noticeable when standing next to the car. The Maxima's 19-inch wheels and sloping fastback roof give it the appearance of a two-door sports car, despite having four doors. The design may not appeal to everyone, but it certainly gets noticed. The Maxima's quick acceleration and nimble handling are a pleasant surprise, thanks to the combination of its powerful base V6 engine and sport-tuned suspension. Unfortunately, it's not a sports car. Instead, the Maxima has a luxurious interior with features like diamond quilted leather seats, ample front legroom, and double glazed windows to muffle outside noise. But it means the back seat is going to be low on headroom and legroom, so rear passengers will have to adjust accordingly. In addition, you'll have to travel light. The Maxima has a trunk that's about as big as the trunk in the more compact Nissan Sentra. Maxima's distinctive midsize design makes it an appealing option, even though the similarly sized Toyota Avalon provides more space than American-made options like the Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300 provide greater muscle. On the other hand, talking about Toyota, the 2023 Toyota Crown sedan has been redesigned to have a more luxurious look and more ground clearance. The Hybrid Max 2.4-liter turbo performance engine produces 340 horsepower and is available in addition to the basic 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine's 236 horsepower and 42 city, 41 highway miles per gallon. Toyota's all-wheel drive system is reliable and quick to respond regardless of the trim level you select. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine produces 236 horsepower and achieves 42 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. The optional Hybrid Max engine offers a combined 240 horsepower, standard all-wheel drive with a 340 horsepower, 2.4-liter turbo performance engine. Inside, you'll find bronze accents, optional leather trim seats, optional power driver seat and a fixed panoramic roof, and also optional heated front and rear seats. Among the exterior features are a ground clearance of 5.8 inches, daytime running lights, a bi-tone exterior design, machine-finished 10-spoke alloy wheels of 21 inches in diameter with black accents, and optional quad LED headlights. The 12.3-inch screen and wireless charging technology are two examples of cutting-edge tech. Built-in Apple Music and 4G Wi-Fi Connect are only two of the available features of the Toyota Audio Multimedia Touch system. Other additional features include wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Automatic high beams, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, automatic braking, and proactive driving assist are all part of Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite of driver aids. While the brand new 2023 Toyota Crown offers the highest level of power and capability, the Crown, in contrast to the underpowered and underperforming Nissan Maxima, offers remarkable efficiency and performance power. The optional turbocharged max hybrid system in the Toyota Crown provides up to 340 horsepower, while the vehicle's all-wheel drive system provides unrivaled handling. The Crown's mild hybrid powertrain allows it to achieve 42 city miles per gallon and 41 highway. A lifted body with 5.8 inches of ground clearance and Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 are two of the many features that'll wow you about this car. It's remarkably quick for a large sedan thanks to the Nürburgring tuning. The top trim level has a 3.5-liter V6 and hybrid drive system producing roughly 360 horsepower. If you want to avoid the gridlock that plagues Tokyo's highways, that's about all you'll ever need. The Crown alone is absolute. We can say the Crown is the king. Believe us, it's worth the drive. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like it and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more great updates. And thanks for watching.